Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Connect the phone to power and a computer so it won't die during the fix. For iPhone 8 and later, press volume up, volume down, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 series, hold volume down plus sleep/wake. For older models, hold home and sleep/wake. This forces a hard reboot to clear kernel hangs. It's immediate and safe when the device is responsive to button input. Once the hard reboot doesn't resolve the frozen screen, put the device into recovery mode and connect it to your computer. Follow the model-specific sequence until you see the recovery screen. Open iTunes or Finder and it will detect a device in recovery. Choose Update to reinstall iOS without erasing data. This downloads firmware and attempts repair. If update times out or fails repeatedly, you'll need to choose Restore. If recovery mode update fails, use device firmware update mode as a last resort. Follow the precise timing for button holds for your model to enter DFU, then restore via iTunes or Finder. DFU reloads the bootloader and firmware and will erase data, so confirm backups beforehand. After the restore completes, set up the device and verify functionality. If the screen remains unresponsive after all software restores, make sure to test with another cable/computer. Persistent hardware freezes require a service appointment or Apple support consultation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.